Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's videos, we are diving deep into MongoDB CRUD operation using the command line. If you are new to MongoDB or database in general, this video will be take you step by step through creating, reading, updating or deleting data. By the end of this video, you will be able to manage the data efficiently in MongoDB. To make it relatable, we will work with a Cricketers database as an example. So let's get started. First, let's open the MongoDB cell. Go to your search bar, type CMD, press enter. In the command prompt, type mongosh. You will see a prompt like this. As you can see, my MongoDB server is started. This is a default port number. This means MongoDB is ready to accept commands. If you have not installed MongoDB yet, check out my installation video linked in the description. First, creating a database. Let's start by creating a new database. You use the command to create or switch to database. Use CricketDB. If the database doesn't exist, MongoDB will create it when you insert data. Let's insert a single document. To add a data to a collection, use the InsertOne command. Let's create a collection called player and insert one record. Here MongoDB has automatically generated a unique object ID for the document, as you can see that, which acts as a primary key. To insert a multiple records at once, use InsertMany with an array of objects. Each document is stored with its unique object ID. MongoDB makes it easy to work with array for bulk operation. Now let's retrieve all the data. To retrieve all the record from the player collection, we have a command to type db.players. Hit enter. As you can see, let's retrieve a specific data. To find one player by name, use find one. As you can see, we got a Virat Kohli data. Now let's update and modify a single document. To update a Virat Kohli runs, we have to write db dot. Sorry, we have to here write players collection name. As you can see, Virat Kohli data is updated. To check that again, we have to type a command See here, Virat Kohli data is updated 13,000. See here, Virat Kohli data without updation 12,400. After updation, the data has been changed. It is 13,000. Let's update a multiple document to add a new field country for all Indian players. Now you can see three Indian players I have inserted and three Indian players country name is modified count equal to 3. Let's delete a single document. To delete Steve Smith record, so I have to type here command is db.players. Guys, as you can see, delete count equal to 1. Steve Smith data is deleted. I have deleted through name. If you want to delete by any field, you can delete. There is no any problem. Now let's delete multiple documents. To delete all Australian players, guys, you can see one Australian record has been available. It has been also deleted. Let's drop a collection. To delete the player collection, we have a command called db.players.drop. Now you can see my players collection is deleted. If you want to check, then you have to type so collections. Now you can see in this db there is no any collection because I had been already deleted. Now let's drop a database to delete the cricket db database. We have a command db.drop database. Guys, you can see my cricket db database is also deleted. If you want to check, then you have to again here type show dbs. Guys, you can see there is no any cricket db is available. In this detailed tutorial, we covered create, inserting single and multiple documents, read, retrieve all specific documents, update, modify single or multiple documents, delete, removing specific or multiple documents, drop, deleting collection and database. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon